Hello folks, in today's episode I would like to talk to you, to landlords about the importance of keeping your tenants happy, and that is having a good toilet, good quality toilet. So let me show you. A lot of people think they can save money and go to Lowe's or Home Depot and buy $100 toilet, but those toilets, they're okay. I mean, it's gonna work for a couple of years, but sometimes it's just not enough to get a good flush. Like this is Glacier Bay, but the toilet we just replaced was made by Aquaflow. So yeah, this is actually a better toilet, but still. So if you want a quality toilet and if you want to make your tenant happy, is definitely install a quality toilet. And here I'd like to show you the toilet's top of the line toilet by Toto, 12-inch rough, elongated bowl with a soft closing seat. See, the seat doesn't slam when you shut it. So it's a very nice toilet, and this toilet is going to last for years, trouble-free maintenance. So if you are interested in installing a quality toilet that has a good flush, that will never clog, and you won't get any complaints from your tenants, please give us a call. We provide a no obligation free estimate, and we'll be happy to stop by and give you an estimate. We don't charge extra for nights or weekends. We go by the job, not the hour. So give us a call. Thanks for watching. Bye.